TOR6MILL, a new family of multi-function milling cutters. Iscar introduces a new family of multi-function cutters featuring 4 different insert geometries to enable optimal machining of different applications. The new TOR6MILL milling cutters and inserts have been designed for a wide range of applications in the die and mold, turbine blade, and general engineering industries. The TOR6MILL cutters are available in the following configurations. TR6ER, multifunction end mills in a diameter range of 16 to 32 millimeters. TR6ER-M, multifunction end mills with flex fit threaded adaptation in a diameter range of 16 to 35 millimeters. TR6FR, multifunction face mills in 52, 66, and 80 millimeter diameters. The tool design enables undercutting operations. The tool diameter remains constant for all insert corner radii. Coolant holes are directed to each and every cutting edge, and the cutter body itself has a special protective polished coating for uninterrupted chip flow and protection from corrosion and wear. The TOR6MILL range of inserts include TR6 MU10, a double-sided insert with 6 round cutting edges and a positive rake angle, providing excellent surface finish. It is available in 0.5 to 3.0 millimeter corner radii. The TR6 TNCU07 version features 0.5, 1, and 1.5 millimeter corner radii. TR90 TNMT10, a single-sided insert with 3 cutting edges for 90-degree shoulder and face milling, featuring a 0.8 millimeter corner radius and a 4 millimeter maximum depth of cut. The TR90 TNMT07 version features a 0.4 millimeter corner radius and a 2.5 millimeter maximum depth of cut. TR45 TNMT10, a single-sided insert for general use and for face and chamfer milling with 3 45-degree cutting edges and a 3 millimeter maximum depth of cut. TRFF TNMT10, a single-sided insert featuring 3 cutting edges positioned at a 17-degree angle for fast feed machining with a 0.8 millimeter maximum depth of cut and ramping down capability. The TRFF TNMT07 version features an 18-degree cutting edge angle and a 0.6 millimeter maximum depth of cut. TOR6MILL inserts are all produced from Iscar's latest SumoTech carbide grades, which ensure high productivity.